Guruganeshabhyam Namaha. Manishada is very famous. That's at the beginning of Ramayana. Why a curse given by Valmiki is right there at the beginning of Ramayana? Something that looks out of place. Mahabharata also begins like this. A puppy gets beaten up at the venue of a yajna and his mother gives a curse because of this. How is Valmiki's curse related to Ramayana? Is it to show the importance of ahimsa? Is it to show the benevolent nature of Valmiki Maharshi? Manishada pratishtham tvamagamas shashwati samaha it kraunja mithuna degam avadhihi kamamohitam. There are many meanings. First meaning, direct meaning. What these words literally mean. Valmiki sees a pair of krauncha birds mating. At the time, a hunter shoots an arrow and kills the male bird. He is on the ground, drenched in blood. The female bird, left alone, is crying in a sad voice. The Maharshi's spontaneous reaction, Ma Nishada, don't you hunter. Nishada means hunter. You will become unstable. It's a curse. You will be thrown off balance. You will be in trouble. You will lose everything because you killed one among a pair of birds who were loving each other, who were mating. A hunter whose natural food is what he gets hunting, that's how he survives. That's how Brahma has made him. It is like a lion killing and eating a deer, as common and as natural as that. Doesn't someone as intelligent as Valmiki know this? Valmiki himself was a hunter. He knows there is no rage involved. There is no malice involved. There is no greed involved. When a hunter kills an animal or a bird, it is for his food. It is his birthright. Then why does Valmiki curse him? This curse is the first literal meaning of this verse. Why did Valmiki curse the hunter who was only getting his food? That was his intention. Bhagavan himself says in the context of Balivadha, killing an animal unawares even from behind is not a papa when it is for food. Nacha doshotra vidyate. Pramattan apramattan vanara mamsarthino bhracham vadhyandi vimughamschapi nacha doshotra vidyate. Then why? What was it that the hunter did wrong, attracting a curse? He killed one among a couple of birds who were Kama Mohita. They were mating. Kamadeva was in action. Aswargyama yashasyam tvamanutishthasi bharata kohi vidwan mrigam hanya charantam maithunam vane. You are not supposed to disturb when Kamadeva is in action. When mating happens, Kamadeva is in action. Who is Kamadeva? Delegate of Brahma, the creator. Creation, procreation is happening when Kamadeva is in action. When procreation is happening, Brahma was not able to manage creation alone. Billions and billions of living beings he had to create. He told Srihari, I can't manage. Srihari smiled at Lakshmi Devi. Kamadeva was born. Thereafter, Kamadeva took over. Kamadeva would get into the bodies of a male and a female at the same time. Procreation happens. Wherever mating happens, Kamadeva is present in the bodies. Kamadeva, delegate of Brahma, Brahma himself. We say attacking a government official is like attacking the government itself. Attacking a couple in mating is like attacking Brahma. It is Brahma Hatya. That was the hunter's mistake. He should have known this. So Valmiki is not even cursing, he is pointing out. Look, what you have done is as grave as Brahma Hatya. You will suffer the consequences. You will lose everything. There is a question of right and wrong involved in everything. A hunter killing for food is not adharma. But a hunter disturbing a mating is adharma. What a beautiful way to start a book on dharma. Now the second meaning. Many people think that there is not a Mangalacharanam in Ramayana. Normally, dharmic books start with a Mangala Shloka. If you see the first sarga, Tapaswadhyaya Niradam Tapasvi Vagvidam Varam, that is how Valmiki Ramayana starts. No prayer to Ganesha or Lord Rama even. In the Puranas also, Narayanam Namaskritya is there. That's how you should start a dharmic text. That is the Mangalacharanam of Puranas. There is no such thing in Ramayana. This is what people think. A Mangalacharanam has two components, usually, a stuti and a vastu nirdesha. a praise of divinity, and a brief indication of what is going to come, the content of the book. Manishada itself is the Mangalacharana of Ramayana. This is from where the actual Ramayana starts. Whatever went by in the first sarga, that is like a prologue, a background. First, Manishada as Stuti. Who is Ma? Lakshmi. Ma Nishidadi Yatra Tat, the dwelling place of Lakshmi. Where does Lakshmi stay? Where is the abode of Lakshmi? On the chest of Bhagavan. That is her dwelling place. The Srivatsa. So when you say Ma Nishada, oh Lakshmi's dwelling place, you are addressing the Lord. Tvam Pratishtham Agamaha. You are going to be famous. Why? Kruncha means Rakshasi. Krauncha, Rakshasi son, Rakshasa. Krauncha Mithunam, Ravana and Mandodari. Among them, you are going to kill one. Egam Avadhihi. Because of that, you are going to be famous. Your glory is going to be sung. This is also the Vastu Nirdesha. Killing of Ravana is going to be the content of this book. Why is killing of Ravana so important? Because Ravana is Nishada. What is the meaning of Nishada here? Nitaram sarva devarshiganam sadayati pidayati iti Nishadaha. Now Valmiki is reprimanding Ravana here. Ma Nishada. Hey Nishada, you are going to lose the pratishtha given to you by Brahma. The pratishtha of Avadhyata given by Brahma. Because of which you have become all powerful. That you are going to lose. Pratistham tvam ma agamaha. You are not going to retain it. Because you separated a couple who were like a pair of birds, you pushed them into a state which is equal to death for both of them. The Viraha Dukkha was so intense for both the Lord and Sita Devi that it was like death for them. You know this, Devi even contemplated suicide when she was in Ashoka Vatika. Because of this, you are not going to enjoy the boon given to you by Brahma. Valmiki is reprimanding Ravana. Now another reason why Valmiki starts Ramayana with this shloka. Who is Valmiki? A descendant of Bhrigu. Bhagavan killed Bhrigu Maharshi's wife and got himself cursed. That he will take avatar on earth and suffer the grief of separation from his wife. So here one of the Bhargavas, descendants of Bhrigu, is telling the Lord himself the background of his avatar. Bhagavan himself tells Lakshmana later, do you think I have done Tyaga of Sita? I left her and I am suffering the pain of her separation because an uneducated Kashthavikrayi, seller of firewood, suspected her purity. Do you think this is why I left her? No. I am just honoring Bhrigu's curse on me. Am I not cursed by Bhrigu to undergo this pain? Tato janapatah kaschit pamarah Kashthavikrayi swavadhu garhanadwara ravanasya grihoshitam garhayamasa vaidehim durvratto lokanintakaha Tachrutva de vicharebhyo bhito lokapavadadaha ahuya lakshmanam praha ramo rajivalocanaha shrunu me vajanam guhyam sita samtyaga karanam valmikinada bhriguna shaptosmi kila lakshmana tasmadenam tejamyadya jano naivatra karanam. Valmiki is pointing out right at the beginning the background of Rama Avatara by showing the separation of the bird couple. That Rama and Sita are going to be separated due to my curse. Meaning Bhrigu's curse. All these are Vastu Nirdeshas. Do you think Ramayana can be told in a 100-page comic book or even the movies and serials? What you are reading or watching, that is not the real meaning. You see, there is so much hidden in there. Every term has so many hidden meanings. Ramaya Namaha.
श्रेष्ठतमो